Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can link your credit card on your Cash App. Now remember, in order to link your credit card in Cash App, you need to have to link your debit card. I don't know why they have this feature, but Cash App does. So in order to link your credit card, first link your debit card. We have also made a video on our channel on how you guys can link your debit card on your Cash App, so you can watch that video if you haven't linked a debit card. But if you guys have already linked a debit card on Cash App, then you can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on, shall we? First step, you want to open Cash App. After you open Cash App, you want to click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. So I haven't uploaded any profile picture, that's why it's showing this. So if you see this, just click on it. And once you click on it, you're gonna see this option called linked banks. Alright, so you want to click on this option called linked banks. Now once you click on the linked banks option, you're gonna see all these options, and from over here you want to click on link credit card. But once you click on link credit card, it's gonna take you to the page where you guys need to enter your credit card's 16-digit number. After you do that, it's gonna ask you to enter your credit card's expiration date and its CVC number. After you enter that, it's basically done. Your credit card will be linked. But in order to see this link credit card option, first you need to link a debit card. Then only these options are gonna be available. Alright, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can link your credit card on Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.